Welcome. In this comprehensive tutorial, I'll show you how to use Razor's Edge NXT step by step. We'll cover donor management, fundraising tools, campaign tracking, reporting, and engagement strategies so your nonprofit organization can manage relationships more effectively and increase fundraising success. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to improve your workflow, this guide will help you navigate the system with confidence and maximize its capabilities. In the fast-evolving world of nonprofit fundraising and donor engagement, efficiency and relationship building are key. That's where Razor's Edge NXT comes in, a cloud-based donor management and fundraising CRM created by Blockbod, specifically tailored for nonprofits. Designed to streamline workflows, boost engagement, and simplify donor cultivation, this platform helps organizations focus less on administrative work and more on mission impact. From large healthcare foundations and universities to small community organizations, Razor's Edge NXT has become a go-to solution thanks to its intuitive design, intelligent analytics, and powerful automation tools. As we head into 2025, the need for centralized, scalable, and data-driven solutions is greater than ever. In this video, we'll explore the features and benefits, explain how each one benefits your nonprofit, and helps you decide if it's the right fit for your organization. So for its key features and benefits, first is the donor relationship management. At the heart of Razor's Edge NXT is a comprehensive donor database that allows you to manage supporter information, giving history, interactions, event participation, and communication preferences. Custom fields make it easy to tailor records to your needs. This builds stronger relationships by giving fundraisers a full view of each donor's journey, preferences, and potential. Another key feature is the fundraising dashboards and campaign tracking. Interactive dashboards allow teams to monitor campaigns in real time, view performance by fund, appeal, or segment, and analyze donor retention metrics. Campaign managers can track goals, major gifts, and pipeline activity all from a centralized hub. This enables data-informed strategy adjustments and keeps stakeholders aligned on fundraising progress. Another key feature is the integrated email marketing and engagement tools. With built-in tools for crafting branded emails and newsletters, teams can automate thank you notes, event invites, and campaign updates. Email performance metrics like open and click-through rates help refine messaging. This delivers consistent and timely communication that keeps donors engaged and informed, all within one platform. Another key feature is the mobile app access and real-time data. Razor's Edge NXT includes a mobile app that lets users access donor records, log notes, and track activity while in the field or at events. The real-time sync ensures every update is reflected instantly across the system. This supports on-the-go productivity for fundraisers, board members, and volunteers alike. Another key feature is the task management and workflow automation. You can create automated workflows for assigning tasks, scheduling follow-ups, and managing stewardship activities. Tasks can be triggered by donor actions, such as a first-time gift or lapsed giving period. This enhances internal collaboration, ensures timely follow-up, and reduces manual task tracking. Another key feature is the secure gift processing and acknowledgements. The platform integrates seamlessly with Blackbaud merchant services for online and offline donations, pledges, and recurring gifts. Automatic tax receipts and thank you letters can be generated and customized. This simplifies donation processing while maintaining compliance and improving the donor experience. So why is Razor's Edge NXT a great choice? It stands out as a truly non-profit-centric solution that blends usability with deep functionality. It's not just a database, it's a relationship management engine that supports every stage of the donor life cycle. Its cloud-native structure ensures teams can collaborate from anywhere, while real-time updates mean fundraisers are always equipped with current information to engage meaningfully. The platform's built-in intelligence makes it easy to identify donor patterns, segment supporters for targeted campaigns, and predict future giving behaviors. This predictive insight, combined with automation and communication tools, positions Razor Edge NXT as an indispensable resource for any nonprofit aiming to scale impact and strengthen donor loyalty. What makes it even more compelling is its ecosystem. Training resources, onboarding support, and a strong user community add to the platform's long-term value. So basically, for nonprofits looking to build long-term donor relationships, streamline fundraising operations, and operate with greater transparency, Razor's Edge NXT is a smart investment. It brings together donor management, fundraising performance tracking, communication tools, and automation under one roof, all while remaining accessible and user-friendly for teams of all sizes. So as donor expectations shift toward more personalized, responsive engagement, tools like Razor's Edge NXT allow organizations to meet and exceed those expectations. So looking ahead into 2025 and beyond, nonprofit organizations will increasingly rely on data-driven tools to thrive. Razor's Edge. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you gain a clear understanding of how to use Razor's Edge NXT to manage donors, track campaigns, and strengthen your nonprofit's fundraising efforts. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss upcoming nonprofit, CRM, and business software tutorials. If you have any questions or would like a deeper walkthrough of specific features, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.